Welcome. If you've been streaming live on Facebook and want to revisit those memorable broadcasts from your PC, this guide is exactly what you need. In just a few easy steps, you'll learn how to quickly find your entire live video history using the newest Facebook update. First, go ahead and open Facebook on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on your main Facebook page, look up at the top right corner. Here, you'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Next, find and select the option labeled Settings and Privacy. When you click on it, a new set of choices appears right below. From these, choose Activity Log. The Activity Log is your personal hub for everything you've done on Facebook. It organizes your posts, reactions, comments, and yes, your live videos. Now, in the Activity Log, glance to the left side of your screen. Look for the section called Your Live Videos. Click on it. Here's where the magic happens. Facebook neatly displays every live stream you've hosted, complete with dates and details. You can browse through your past broadcasts, re-watch special moments, manage who can see each video, or choose to delete any that you no longer want on your profile. Something important to keep in mind. After a recent update, Facebook now only stores your live videos for 30 days. That means if you want to keep any of your streams for the long term, you'll need to download them before they're automatically deleted. And that's it. With these steps, you can stay organized, easily manage your content, and never lose track of your live video memories. Feel free to check this section regularly, especially if you stream often, to make sure your favorite moments are safely saved. Thanks for joining today.